And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't believe the reason right.
Hello YouTube, I'm just playing with the Wilton Vise. I dipped this in evaporust. It's got some blackening, big rust in here, and I don't know what the hell, there's like a pin in here. You can't really see it, but right over here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, there's like a tiny little pin. This is chipped right here, there's a hole in there, and this one's got to be drilled out. I don't think that's, what do you call it, screwed in, because it doesn't appear to have any threads, but I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong. The evaporust did amazing. You just clear coat it and leave it dismantled gray. I know wasn't too sure. It seems like I do this and never anymore. I might dip it in the evaporust. It's like it's never ending in here. It's got a little flash rusting. If you don't have an extension for one of these, this is what I'm doing now. Works pretty good. Does the job, and well, maximum crud removal. I don't know if that's supposed to be in there or what. Let me see. There's something in here that doesn't make sense. Yeah, it looks like corrosion. Corrosion. Take one of these things and just... There's like a big chunk of corroded crap in here. There we go. I don't know if you can see it, but right in here, right this area, I don't know if you can see in there, but there was all kinds of stuff stuck to it. So anyway, I'm just going to go like this. Like that. So anyway, it looks like it's all the way down the side here. Looks like it's all the way down the shaft. Let me fix that. I'll give it back to you. Yeah, what I'm doing now is I'm just running just an old welding rod down the side, and all kinds of sharp in here. I don't know about in here, but there's stuff everywhere in here. Big chunks, like. So I took a welding rod and a little stainless steel brush in here. There's like plenty of crud in here. This little hollow piece. Just like butter. Oh, there's still some more way down there. Let's see, put this over here. Here's all the crud bunch stuff in here. Got my trash can here. There was still, after cleaning it out last time, I mean, I took a probably 4 teaspoons or tablespoons of freaking crud out of here. There's still crud in this thing. It's still crummy. But it's getting better. This one right here has, yeah, it's right there. There's that little thing there. Let's knock it out. Oh, there we go. Just baked in goodness. Had a couple little flavor savers caked in there, so we got a carburetor in there. Oh yeah, there we go. Perfecto. Now, I'm going to put this back in the evaporust because I think that's actually what I need to do. And we'll see where it goes from there. So yeah, that's my plan of action. Put it back in the evaporust. Clean off as best as possible. And then I'm going to prime it. I'll prime the whole outside. So, in the evaporust, we shall go. Where the hell did it go now? That'll be another video.